Welcome to Oxygen Global, a Cardano Life Technical Smart Contract Support Service. Today is 15 August 2024. I'm Rizashida Mambeza, the leader of the group leaders, and I'm with Oscar. He's going to be assisting you. I'm also with Dylan, Jason, Israel, Liseho Kosh, Hilary, Chinora, Chinaza, Tumisho, Safia, and Oxygen Global. So Oscar is going to be going through yesterday's task. You can start, Oscar.
Good day, everyone, and welcome again to JavaScript beginner lessons, or should I say workshop. So this morning, I recently sent a couple of exercises that I want us to tackle. Right, so without further ado, we can dive into them. So I'm going to start sharing my screen so that everybody is following. Can anyone that doesn't have, or by the show of hands, can somebody tell me who doesn't have the exercises or they didn't see the exercises that I sent in the group chat around 10 o'clock, so that I know we are all there? By the show of hands, who didn't get the exercises, or should I just send them again on the chat? So by the fact that nobody's responding in the chat, it seems everybody got the exercises correct. Going once, twice. Okay, I'm gonna start sharing my screen so that everyone can follow through, right? Can everyone see my screen?
I can see it.
Both the output and the input, both the code and the output, right?
Yeah, I can see anything.
Yes,
You
I can
can't
see
see
it.
anything. Oh, okay, cool. So the first function is a simple the first exercise is a simple exercise, right? I think I just sent, okay, cool. Let's do this. Exercise 1. I need everybody to be coding along with me so that everybody can see their own output and their own errors, if there's errors, so that we can know what's wrong or what's right. So the first exercise, I sent it on the chat and it's also on the group chat. So let's tackle that one quickly. So to read the exercise, we need to create a function called do twice. That function is going to take a function as an argument and calls it twice. Correct? So now what's happening is this. So we're going to simply just, oh, what is this? So this is the simple snippet or the easiest way to go about it right now. We created a function right here, line 8, and we called it do twice. This function called do twice, it accepts a function as an argument, right? And then inside the body of this function do twice, we're going to call the argument twice. So that's just the dummy version of how you could implement or solve the exercise we were working on right now. So do twice, we call do twice, and then we see what happens. I hope nobody is lost, guys, in terms of you can't see any HTML. The way I'm going about it is I'm using an external HTML page, an external JavaScript file, I mean. If you can see my line 7, the HTML doc, I outsourced the JavaScript page so that we can work on a separate JavaScript file instead of embedding the JavaScript file into our HTML. Does everybody follow that?
Yes, sir. Oh.
Who doesn't understand this implementation? Okay, by the fact that everybody's quiet, I guess you all understand the functionality, the implementation. So cool. In our JavaScript file, we have a function from line 8 until 12. As you can see, this is how we're going to be solving the first question. It's simple, it's dumb, I know, but here I'm trying to implement the whole functionality of high order functions. Right? So now, after this, we're going to create another function that's going to be taken as a parameter. Let's say we have a function called hello. Since Lesego wanted us to be using arrow functions, so we're going to create this arrow function called hello. Okay, say hello. And this arrow function takes no parameters. And inside the body, we just gonna be like document.write hello world. And inside line 18, when we're calling the function, we need to pass it as we need to pass the say hello function as a parameter.
Oscar.
Yes, easy.
The screen, I think it's lagging. I don't know if it's me.
Okay, let me do this. I'm just now. What is the function to use? How do you come about that? Now, what if I wanted to use the function in another JS file? How will you come about that? It works the same way, Jason. All you need to do is have the function into your external page, right? And then you're just going to be referencing that file, that JavaScript file into your HTML. Did I answer your question, Jason?
You're no more sharing, Oscar.
Okay, wait. I'm going to try to just set the Java on my VS Code page so that we minimize the lagging or the latency we are experiencing. Can everybody see my page?
Yes, I
Can
can.
everyone see my page? Jason,
Yes.
I want you to repeat your question and tell me where I'm not answering it. Jason, you had a question? Can everyone understand what I just did right here? So say hello right here is being passed. Okay, let's say we have two files, both JS, right? Now we have the function in one file, do twice, but I want to use it in another file just by calling it. Oh, you can use the implementation of exporting. You were giving us a lesson yesterday on exporting and importing files and modules. You use the same functionality to call another file. Let's say I had a JavaScript file called, let's say I have a JavaScript file called, what's this? Say hello .js, right? Inside our say hello.js, we have a function called say hello. So paste it here. Jason, are you following? Okay. So you would use some sort of export function. I hope I'm using this correctly. Does everyone understand this?
Yeah, we do understand it. We see something associated with the error function.
So it will look something like this, Jason. Let's try to import say hello from say hello.js. Jason, are you following? Because this is one way to be actually implementing the export and the import function. As we were doing it on the group chat, on the group 2 lesson, we're importing several functions and modules from another library or set of functions, right? So now this say hello.js file will be exported, and then we can import it in our exercise2.js, right? And you can simply just use it right here. So
Yes,
instead
sir.
of saying yes,
The reason
so
I, the reason
good.
why I was asking, right,
Okay.
was because yesterday you saw we were using import and export, like I showed you. So I just thought that it would be important for like this group to understand import and export. You understand?
Yes, Jason.
So thank you.
I understand very well. Okay, cool. So now I need to know whether everybody's following on this part. Does everyone understand what's happening here? And if there's somebody who's lost, please tell me now, or you hold your peace.
Can you just take us through the syntax of the arrow function?
Okay, cool. To take you through the syntax of the arrow function, right? Are you following? Check out line 17. Can you see my VS Code, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're going to declare our arrow function using a constant keyword. This is a keyword used to declare any type of identifier that you don't want to be mutating or changing. You get? So we all understand the constant keyword, right, Liseho? Liseho, are you still with me?
Yeah, I'm following.
Okay, cool. So after constant, you're gonna give your identifier a name, aka this identifier is a function. So identifier is just another way of saying the name of a particular element or object or variable in your program. So after the constant keyword, you're gonna give it a name. So in this instance, we wanna have a function called say hello, right? So in an arrow function, to use an arrow function, after the keyword or after the name of your function, you assign it, use the assignment operator, and you assign it the two brackets. These two brackets will be a portion whereby you include your arguments. For example, if this function is going to take a name as an argument, instead of saying hello, you want to say hello somebody, right? So this function is going to accept an argument of name. And then you're going to give it the arrow. This is where the arrow functionality comes into place. After the arrow, you open your curly braces and you write your block of code, right? Are you following?
Yeah, I'm following. So the arrow is like some sort of pointer in a way.
You could say that in this instance. You could
Oh,
literally say that.
and
So right
then
now, instead,
my last question is like, when would we have to use these double functions whereby you use your function as an argument?
yes, arrow function are usually used as arguments. For example,
No,
if
I
you was
mean
on a
like there's a function there on top, and then you added a function as a argument. Like, when would we have to use that?
when you're using high order functions. So high order functions, if you remember the definition, it's a function that takes a function as an argument or returns another function as an argument. So for basic practices, this is level 1 high order functions, whereby this function called do twice takes a function as an argument and then it calls it twice. So to see the high order functionality is the fact that the do twice function accepts a function as an argument. And if you look at the definition, a high order function is a function that accepts another function as an argument or returns a function. Are you
Okay,
following?
thanks. I'm sorted on my side. Thanks.
Alright, cool. So, okay, cool. I hope nobody's lost. Does everybody properly understand arrow functions? Does everyone understand
Maybe we can
arrow functions?
give another example. Yeah.
So, just to show you the output of this function right now. You guys see the output? Can everybody see the output? can everybody see the output?
Yes.
Yes.
So let's say, as you can see, this function says hello Oscar. Now the Oscar comes from the fact that we gave our arrow function an argument of name, because I wanted you guys to understand where exactly in an arrow function do you have to include your arguments and how do you utilize them inside your block of code. I hope everybody is getting this implementation. So right now we're gonna step into another exercise. In fact, let's do this. I want you guys to create a function called do thrice, and it should output your name 3 times. And you should be using high order functionality. Just a quick exercise. But while you guys are still doing that, I'm gonna move on to the next exercise. I just want to see everybody's response. Just send your quick snippet on the chat so that I see everybody's, getting the idea. Just to see if you guys are getting the idea. I'm gonna choose 3 people to give me their exercises so that we can move forward quickly. So let's choose randomly. Okay, let's say since you are trying to know arrow functions, I need to know if you're using them correctly. I want your exercise right now and send it on the chat. The exercise is create a function called do thrice. This function should take a function as an argument function 3 times. And that function you're going to be calling 3 times should accept 2 arguments, your name. So when we output it, it should say hello, Lesego, and your surname 3 times. Who else can do that? Oh, fuck.
So you want me to output my name 3 times?
Oscar, there's no audio. We can't hear you. Your audio is off, Oscar.
Yes, let me just call him. Hello. No audio. Please try it again.
Was anyone able to finish the task?
Yeah, he's back now. Hello, Oscar. Oscar.
Can everybody hear me? Yes, can everybody hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay, coolies. So I'm just gonna quickly send the code snippet of exercise 1, right? And then I need my answers from Lesego, Chinaza, and Dumisho. Okay, this is the code snippet for exercise 1. Okay, let's hear Dumisho's response. Okay, it's create function do thrice, you call it 3 times. Dumisho, right? Dumisho. Okay, Dumisho, you missed an instruction, right? Dumisho, can you please open up your mic so we can have this convo roll quickly?
Oscar,
Yes.
can I share screen?
Most Dave.
In you tell me, you said you must create a function, right?
Yes.
Do thrice. Call it 3 times, right?
Call it, yes, do it thrice or 3 times, whichever way. Okay,
And
cool.
then
3 times.
name,
You should
surname.
accept the function. Okay. Document.write, do thrice. Print, JSON, Kelly. Okay, let's see your output.
Or should it be 3 times?
Yes, sir. If you see it's not running 3 times, there's something wrong.
Because I'm writing on the same line the whole time.
So
I sent
try
my
to like
output to the group
create a break.
and connected to my phone.
Pardon? Your output is on the
I
group.
sent my code to the group, yeah, to the WhatsApp group.
Okay, let's see it. 3 times. So let's say your say hello function, I said I needed to have 2 arguments, your name and your surname. So you shouldn't be hard coding your name into the say hello function. All it should do is to just retrieve the arguments and just output them.
Okay,
And then
let me
Jason,
do that.
you still throwing just 1 line. Try to add a break element on your document.write and see what's happening after that. So Dumisho, let's tackle your exercise. So you did your function do thrice, the syntax is fine, but I asked you to make an arrow function. So try to change that, and then your say Dumisho function should accept 2 arguments, your name and your surname. So if you guys saw Jason's code, it took a name and a surname as an argument, and it was outputting and the surname as an argument. Guys, who's lost? I need to know who's lost. Who's lost, guys?
So wait, you want us
Talk
to
to me.
add parameters inside the arrow function?
Yes, sir. And your do
Okay.
thrice function should be also an arrow function. I'm pretty sure everybody is now advanced enough to go for arrow functions. Whoever's
Okay,
not
okay.
that advanced, it's cool. Just know that you need to pull up your socks a bit. Jason, were you able to fix why your code is not running twice? Jason. Jason. Guys, why are people quiet? I next explain this. People are still quiet.
Yeah, we're trying to just fix the bug.
You're trying what now?
We are trying to solve the problem.
Oh, I've
Well,
also
you know,
solved.
it helps too.
I'm calling it try to.
So people are still having a hard time.
Yes.
Oh, let me give you the response for that, so that everyone knows what exactly I wanted.
Well, let's give us a few minutes before you give us the answer.
Okay, cool. Jason, can you please give me the can you send me the library for the Jimba so that we can run test functions and j.log?
I think we can go there to that website I gave you yesterday. It's still there.
Oh yeah? Oh, it's still
So you
there.
just download it, the folder, then you just, you know.
Okay, cool.
Can I see your output, Oscar? Does yours appear 3 times there or once?
Okay, it was outputting 3 times, but my variables were not being coded. So I'm trying to fix that
I
bug
mean,
real quick.
like what to do twice? Did it print two times or once?
With do twice, it printed out twice. But now, with
Can I
twice,
see, please?
there's a problem since. Okay, I'll have to revert to my.
What do twice? I want to see what do twice, not what do thrice. I mean,
Okay.
you ever end up,
Who has their hands up? Okay.
Mr. Barnard?
Yes. Mr. Bernard, can you please say your part? I see your hand is up.
Right. The first thing is, let me upload that library you requested here.
Yes, please,
I think
sir.
I can attach here. Let's see if it can attach.
Jason.
Right, the Jimba.js
Okay.
is there. You can download it from there. You can remove the bracket too. Okay. The reason why
Where did you send it to?
I uploaded here
Oh,
on
okay.
install messages. Right. The reason my hand is up, I just want to assist you, Oscar, here
Yes, sir, the assistance will be very much
with
appreciated.
interactivity.
Okay.
Can you stop sharing? I just want to cross-check with everyone who is here. Help me stop sharing. Let
No,
me
I've
go.
stopped sharing, sir.
All right. On my side here, I've got the grid view. We are around 20. So let me do this to first check. I'm going to post there in the group.
So the so
All
the
right.
post, the message you just sent us is not.
That JavaScript. Then I can also send it here on WhatsApp. There it is there.
Please try sending it on WhatsApp, sir, because when I open it here on the chat, it's giving some.
All right. I've added it on the WhatsApp.
Okay, cool. And then to use it, I'll have to import it, right?
Yes, you can import it from where you have. Right. Let me check again. The next group of people that I see, this is my number 2. Let me see if I can have 2489. My number 3. All right. Sorry for the disconnection. Okay. Please, when I call your name, can you introduce yourself? Because I'm trying to run away from, people, they turn on a cell phone and then they go away. Because I don't understand why Oscar must, since the beginning till now, he's asking and he's not getting any response. He is doing a fantastic job, but I think you are letting him down. Number one, you are not responding. I think number two, you are not doing what he is asking you to do. Then maybe you can explain your challenge, what you are facing. All right. Please, I'm going to go through the list that I have here, and I'm going to request some of you, I don't have your emails. Some of you, I've got the emails here. So if I don't have your email, I'm going to request your email later from here. Some of you here, I've got the emails that I have. All right, I'm going to call out the following people. Please help me with your emails. So I'll just send the following people who don't have email. Send me your email, your Gmail account. If it's possible, when you log into this conference call, log in with your Gmail account so that it will assist us on the payments. It will make it easier for us to send an email and receive a wallet address. I don't want you to send me a wallet address in public, because anyone will take that wallet address and check your balance. So I prefer the wallet address, you email it to me with the email that will correspond to this free conference call. And then before I pay you, I will want to see your face with that email address. So you will log in, I first see you, you see me, and then I see your email, I see this is the amount I must pay you, 100 ADA, and then after that, I pay you. Then the first time, I'll take a picture of you, your email, receive your email, and then your WhatsApp number. It will be done once. Then the rest, whenever we see your attendance, we just pay you, because we have got your, what you call it, your information. The problem that I'm having on this payment thing is people who are asking me to pay them, I'm not seeing them in the lessons. Sometimes even when Reto gives me the register, I don't see them. So, and they are the ones who are pushing for payment every day, 3 times. That is the first thing. Okay. The second thing is, can I have these people, please, send me your emails. You can send me direct on my DM or no WhatsApp email. Tia Isaac, Chinora, Jason, Liseho, Oscar. When I take the register from here, I do not get emails, but the rest I got email. So you can send emails, the 2, 4, 5 of you. Send it onto my WhatsApp or in the group chat WhatsApp area here, so that we don't hide the assignment that you have. Okay, let us quickly live do verification to see who is online. It is triggered by the fact that out of 21 people, Oscar is asking 5 times, no one is replying. What is happening? What is happening? Could be an internet issue, but then remember, if it's an internet issue, you must send a message on the chat to say, all right, this is yes, this is no, put up your hand, whatever. All right, let us quickly run through. You introduce yourself. Don't turn on your video for now. Just introduce yourself. Your voice is enough. Right, I'll go with the list that I have here. Except Oscar. Oscar's voice, yes, except the teacher. The teacher is there. Tumisho, you want to say something before I start? Okay, hold on your question. Let me go through this. Right, Dylan, greet everybody here so that it's fair for everyone, so that we know Dylan is online. It's not only.
Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Delon Wenyepe, and I'm a final year graduate. I'm a final year student at Fitchfoot Graduate Institute of Technology here in South Africa.
Rito,
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rudochira Mambeda, and I'm doing diploma in IT. A third year student at Richfield, South Africa.
right. Thanks. Now I have got someone who is anonymous. Akapo. Go ahead, introduce yourself. Anonymous. Akapol@gmail.com. Akapol
Good
6.
good day, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. My name is Akachuku Paul, and I'm studying electrical engineering final year. So, yeah.
All right. Thank Aka Chiku. Next one, anonymous. Bagda Mary 1. Go ahead.
Hello everyone. I'm booked on Mary from Ghana. Um, it is accepting technology.
Thank you, Mary. Atia Isaac. Atia Isaac, can you hear us? Can you introduce yourself? Right. We didn't get anything from Atia Isaac. Could be network issue. Please, later on, you can go ahead try to get Atia Isaac to introduce himself so that you can hear his voice. At least for now, it's enough. Chinora.
Hello, good morning. My name is Nguchinora, a graduate of computer science from Nigeria.
Thank you. Isaac, easy for good at gmail.com. Isaac.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Israel Aunanya. I'm a third year wishful student.
Thank you. Jason. Just
Morning, everyone.
Yeah.
My name is Jason Caleb. I'm a final year student in attending Richfield Graduate Institute, and yes, that's my intro. Thank you.
Thank you. And then Kosiso Chuku.
Okay, good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kosi Sochuku, a graduate of mass communication, and I'm into product designing. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Liseho.
Morning, everyone. I'm a PhD in IT third year student at Gracefield Institute of Technology.
Thank you, Musa.
Hi everyone, my name is Moza and I'm a third year student at Richfield.
All right, thank you. Musa Kamaldin.
It's gotta go, go.
I heard the voice, Musa. I didn't hear you.
Me or?
I've got, yes, it's you. 29.
Oh.
There are two Musa here. There's Musa Kamaldin 55. Then there's Musa Musabu Kaba 290. There's Musa Kamaldin.
Can you hear me, Mr. Bernard?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I'm Musa Kamaldin from Ghana. I studied accounting and economics. I don't have IT background, but I'm a Cardano individual, so I'm learning. I'm learning small.
Okay. You're welcome. Thank you very much. And then Hillary. Go ahead. Good to
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. My name is Ogudu Hilary. I'm currently a student of electrical engineering in Nigeria. I'm a Cardano enthusiast. Do you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Hello, just hold on for me. I've got a call. I'm coming. Oh, yes.
I thought now.
Sorry for that. There was a call that came. Hillary, I think Hillary, you've introduced yourself. Thank you. Next, Oscar. Oscar, all right, it's fine. You are the one presenting. Let me go to Kosh.
Hello, good day, all. I'm from Richfield, doing BSc IT third year. It's my final year at the moment.
Thank you, Posh. Trifina. Your voice, Trifina.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prifina Musomba Kayembe. I'm a student in Richfield. I'm doing my BSc this year, so this is actually my final year.
Thank you. Then I've got Rema. Rema, can you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so my name is Rima. I'm from Nigeria. I'm studying fuel and industrial chemistry. I have a knowledge on programming. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. And then can I have Xavier Zoku? Xavier Ozoku. Right. No response from Xavier. Let's have Tumisho. Your hand is up. You can also introduce yourself and then you can ask your question. Go ahead, Tumisho. Hello, Tumisho.
Hello, good morning. It's Xavier.
Oh, Xavier. Yes, go ahead, Xavier.
Good morning.
Want to hear your
Xavier,
voice.
my network.
Oh, yes, network issues. Go ahead and introduce yourself. All right, your network is
trying to unmute
not...
myself, but my network has.
All right, no problem. Thank you. The network is an issue there, we can confirm. Tumisho?
Giving
Tumisho?
issues.
Is Tumisho online? Hello? All right, let me...
My name
Don't worry, Xavier, your network is down, but we can see you are on live, but the issue is network. Now let me try Tumisho.
Hello? Hello, can you
Yeah.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Yes, my name is Tumisho. I'm from Richfield, studying my third year in the IT.
Right, thank you, Tumisho. Then can I get Ukoke Chinaza? Programmer Chinaza. Go ahead.
Hello everyone, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Go ahead.
My name is Ugoke Chinaza. I'm a computer science student from Nigeria. I'm also trying to learn the Cardano blockchain. I've had some experience with front end, HTML and CSS.
Thank you very much. You see, you guys, we are so grateful for your attendance. And for your interest, we are so grateful. And when I check the register from my side, I don't know if from your side you see what I'm seeing. I'm seeing good attendance. Not only good attendance, I see some people have been here for 100 minutes, 105 minutes. I'm here for 20 minutes, 50 minutes. There is one for 28 minutes, joined late. 54 minutes, that's good. Atia Isaac, are you online? 8 minutes ago. Hello, Atia Isaac, can you greet everyone? Maybe it's a network issue. Right, 73 minutes, 98 minutes, 98 minutes, 48. The attendance is quality. That is one thing that I can say. But now, when Oscar is asking, he is not getting any response. If this discourages him, then we are not going to make progress. The other thing is, please also give out feedback, either by way of typing messages here, or you can type messages on the WhatsApp. If he is too fast, is too slow, is not helping you, you want something more on JavaScript, it is better you communicate. The third thing is, if some of you here can also assist him, that is also welcome. He was asking for input, he was asking for contribution. There was no response. A few, only 2-3 people out of 21 are responding. I think that will end up discouraging him. If for some reasons you can't talk because maybe where you are in a class, then type a message here, respond to him so that he can be checking the responses down here. All right. The last part before I go, remember, I did thank all of you. Please put it in your mind. I say to all of you here, thank you for your attendance. Thank you for your interest in Cardano. We really appreciate it. That is why we are putting incentives for attendance. But let it be productive. Let it be productive. We want this group to move out very quickly from here to Cardano smart contract development, because that is the key for this group. Let me share my screen and show you where is your output. That is what we want, consistency with the output. You can see my folder here. I have downloaded, now is 15/08/2024, Coxygen FTP account. I've got all these accounts here. I hope all of you can see. Oscar gave assignments, some things to do. I believe some of you did them, but where did you save them? So that we can see on this day, he gave you 4 functions to go and create You created them. Here they are. So that there is output. This mustn't be an academy or a passive. It must be an interactive. Ways that on day 2, he gave you something, you did it, check with him, is it right, is it wrong? Or others here know JavaScript. They can assist Oscar to check that the thing is correct in group work. Because the whole aim is it must be interactive, you must enjoy it, you must learn out of it. Now, I provided everyone with an FTP account so that every day you can save your file that you have done. But when I download, I don't see anything on your FTP account. All right. I use these FTP accounts to recommend you when they call me to recommend you on your CV. So when you are looking for a job, you put, I have been doing practicals with Coxygen. Right. When they call me and say, we've got someone by the name Sirento, what is from this area, he has been with you for 1 year. I come here, I come to my FTP accounts. I look for your name, then I find you here. Then I open. Then I must see the dates. See here, there is no date, but there is a file. At least it's better. There is a second file, says code corrections review, but there is no date. This one is better because I see Chidiso, Seremane, Helios, Oxygen Global. There is a date, 27 July 2024. And for the whole year, I don't see anything. What will I say? What will I say? And then I don't want you to lose a job again. Right. Some of you, like I think Prince showed me, they are working on GitHub, which is a very good thing. When you get into Helios 1 from this group, we are going to force you to do both FTP and GitHub. But for new people here, let's have a simple way where they do their work, save it online, so that anyone anywhere can check the work. So let me show you here so that you see this thing is not being done. I'll run through. You see your name. Those of you who don't have FTP accounts, Reto, give me the names. I'll create FTP accounts. See here, there's 2 files. There's 3 files. There's no file. There is a folder. There's 1 file. But this is a JS, so there's 1 file. Don't count the FTP file. It's everywhere, this one. You can see here there is 1, 2, 3. At least there is also a marketplace version 1. I'll be interested also to see this one here. At least Deload, I see something better than others, but still is far. There is Helios answers, there is Helios questions, empty files. So if I can count what I see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's check others. This one, I see 1 file. That is the folder. Easy. I see here is Oscar. I think this is the Oscar homework he gave you. Yes, at least you did the homework. There it is. That's a good start. That's one part. That is what we want to see. Remember, some of you guys are going to be also teachers, teaching others. You are going to be helpers, helping others. Imagine you are helping them. They are not doing any activity, your homework, your projects. just sit and listen, you won't feel motivated to carry on. You won't motivated to carry on. Right, let's go to Jason. The Pac-Man. I did the Pac-Man. I don't know how many of you did the Pac-Man. I gave you the self-driving car. I don't even see it. Now you've got, who is this one? Oscar is giving you some things. There is a lot lacking. Right, there is self-driving car from Johanna, but there is nothing here. If you had a problem, why didn't you ask? If you keep quiet and you have a problem, then that is the biggest weakness, because you are not communicating your needs. You are not going to grow. All right. Let me go to Kakari. This is all what I have. Let me go to Kamal. I think some people are no longer attending Kubaya. And then Leo, Lisejo. Lisejo, yeah, see. I think this one is working. He's trying his best. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So far, you are the one with many other files, but still, where is the self-driving car? Where is the Pac-Man game? Where are some of the files? I can see some 27. I can see most of this is for July, but now we are on the August 15. Where are the documentations? August 15. I'm halfway through August. So it means again, I'm going to lack milestone targets. Malulera, look at that. All what I'm saying to you, Mandisa, I'm saying let us improve. Mary, let us improve. There is Max Pan, August 2. July, loco, Musa. Definitely, I think you can see the trend is the same. Most of you are not uploading the work that you have done. This doesn't mean you are not working. You are working, but I don't know where you are saving it. You are saving it in your computer. Then how do I get into your computer to tell somebody who wants to employ you that you have got work? My uploads. How do I do that? Prefina, review. You can zip them and save them like this is also fine. Right, there's nothing here. All right, I want us to find a solution to this problem that I'm seeing here. Yeah, this is a Reto. I see a lot of things in Reto. I think we have more than anyone else. Questions, assets, see here. Yeah, there is more, but still is for what? Is for July. There is something for October. No, this is July. Examples, there is also test-driven development, nothing. Effort is the most important thing. Remember, it is you and your life that is going to benefit this forever. You are going to look for me to say thank you. Right. Okay. I want to show everyone so that everyone sees everyone, that we are the same. There is only maybe 1 or 2, but I think we are failing to reach 80% or 60% of. If you do not have an account here on FTP, please contact Rito, give your name so that we do this. All right, let me now get feedback from you. Please, what I did show you there is not in a bad way, is to show everyone where we are and what we need to fix. Right. Let me get questions now from everybody. Feel free to tell me the situation. Where is your work? To me, your hand is up. To me, show your hand is up. Do you want to talk or it's up by mistake? Oscar, over to you.
I wanted to ask.
Yes.
Yesterday I did something, but then I don't know if it uploaded.
I didn't see it. Did I see Tumisho folder here? Let me just search here quickly.
No, there. My name there is. It's not Tumisho. It's Cactus.
Spell it for me.
CAC.
EAC.
No, CAC.
Or CAC.
TUS.
All right. For consistency, try guys to use one name, one username. If it's Cactus, use Cactus. Yesterday, what did you upload? I see 2 files, the exercise HTML.
Yes, I was doing the homework Oscar gave us, so I don't know if we uploaded.
Says modified date. Yesterday, yes. The file uploaded. It uploaded yesterday, 23:51 midnight. Yes, there is a file here because I should be able to, when you have uploaded your stuff, at least the person who gave you that task must be able to go through those tasks and see if he's teaching properly, he's helping you, he's far from you, or he's giving you difficult stuff.
Okay, sir.
But it is there. I found it.
Thank you, sir.
Right, let me go to Oscar. Over to you, Oscar.
Oh, so I was just trying to come up with a solution on how we can all be consistently uploading our progress to the FTP account. That is, if everybody has an FTP account. So the suggestion was, since I'm also liking with consistency in terms of uploading the exercises themselves, I would suggest that each and every time after a lesson, we all dedicate some time, probably 5 minutes. So on my side, what are we doing? Within that 5 minutes, I would be allocating or uploading the necessary, firstly, the notes of today's lesson, secondly, the exercises, and then probably 5 minutes before we start the next lesson, I'll be uploading the corrections or the answers to previous lessons' work. So I'm not sure if that's a viable option or whatnot.
The most important thing is, in as much as you are giving them a task, you would want to see progress. So if they don't do those tasks, you won't have progress or to measure this progress. They even themselves, they won't see any progress from where they are. That is number one. The second thing is, especially I can tell you, I've got, I don't know, lots and lots of people who have got jobs through me, through this program. Very good jobs, very good jobs. I can even show you on my WhatsApp when they were saying thank you very much. Got jobs in banks, very good jobs. But how it became easy was they do a lot of work, there is evidence of what they are doing. I don't guess or dream what this person does. Because when I look at your work tells me you are a team player, number one. You are a good communicator. Number two, you meet deadline. You are meeting deadline. The most one, number four, you are presenting something that is working. That is working. So if you don't give yourself time to do these things, you are going to be here for 5 years, which is not a problem. Can be here for 5 years because some are working. They will have more things to do when they come here. So those are different variables that we are all from. So I don't want you to come here and stay in this group for more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Coxygen was not meant initially to be a school. It came out of a need from Cardano. They don't have developers. We have got schools in Cardano, Kimberley's Academy, Muko, specifically schools. Richfield is a college where you are taught these things. Here is a place where you need to work. But we are starting JavaScript so that everyone is on the same page. But the actual work we're supposed to be doing is on Cardano Smart Contract development languages, TypeScript languages, JavaScript languages. We have got Helios, we've got Lucid. Actually, Cardano is adopting TypeScript a lot. A lot. So what you are learning here is going to be very useful in different Cardano companies, organization with the TypeScript, because TypeScript is the front side, which is being used a lot. And the React is also used a lot. And then Next.js is used a lot. So that is what I can say to you. Apart from this one, there is something that I need. The last thing here. I need your wallet addresses, number one, to pay for last week's attendance. So the best thing you can do for me, email me your wallet address on this email. It will help me better. Email me your wallet, your Cardano wallet addresses. To cto@wims.io, so that when I see your email, your full name, I can pick it up from the register which Reto is giving me. Then immediately I can send you your header. Currently now, I can even show you, I've got the list of names who must be paid for last week attendance, but I don't have their wallet addresses. So that is the other request that I'm requesting from all of you. If the majority of you can email me your Cardano wallet addresses, and then I pay out, then if I'm left with 2, 3, then I can call you individually, email me. Then later on, remember, the Cardano wallet addresses need not be the same every time I'm requesting for it. For security reasons is, number one, when you create your wallet, save the 24 words offline. Write it on a paper. Keep the paper outside. Then on your wallet, every time somebody requests for a wallet address to send you header, because now we are having another blockchain, Singularity Next, we will be sending you AGX, which is called AGX, which is has more value than header. So every time you are receiving header, make it a habit to always change your addresses. You can always generate a new address. You send it, but it will be from the same wallet. But then it's very difficult for people to track your balances. That is a security standard that I want you to start practicing. You see this little data we are sending you. Make use of it to practice what we call security with these digital assets. That is all what I can say to all of you. So thank you very much. If anyone has got something to ask from me, you can ask, but I want to hand you back to Oscar. The other suggestion I can ask Oscar to do, use the breakout rooms. Right, let me just show you how to use the breakout rooms. You can ask Rito or Dylan to create breakout rooms. Here we are 19, so I'm going to create 8 breakout rooms just to show Oscar or you how to use it. Then here I will set the room to 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm setting the room to 1 minute. It will randomly assign you to those rooms. In 1 minute, I want you to write a function. Let's do a simple function. I see. Let me just select a simple function. Right. I want you to write a simple function that takes 2 parameters. It takes a deposit and a balance. It returns a new balance. Imagine an ATM, you go and you deposit some money. Then what is your new balance? Okay, that is a function that I want each one of you to write in 1 minute. Have you all understood before I launch the breakout rooms? After 1 minute, you report.
Please repeat, sir.
Yes.
Create a function called deposit. You can give it a name. Call it deposit. So this deposit takes 2 arguments. It takes a balance and it also takes a new deposit, and it returns a new deposit, a new balance. It returns a new balance. Okay, let me write it here quickly. Oscar, you must see how to make use of the breakout rooms. It will eliminate people who are sleeping or who are sleeping there. So create a function that takes 2 parameters, which are deposit and balance, and returns new balance. Can use one.
The breakout rooms.
Let me run the breakout rooms. I will show you. They will do it for you, Rito or Dilo. So I'm opening the breakout rooms now for 1 minute. Moment the minute is over, it will kick you out of the breakout room. Then you are this side. The moment you are this side, I want you to post your function on the here on the in-call messages, but sometimes it doesn't post. You can post your function on the WhatsApp. Yeah.
So can I add a specification on your request?
Yes.
For the sake of learning purposes, can the function be arrow functions, and they have to be pure arrow functions?
Yes, it must be pure. All functions must be pure. And then whether you want a named function or an arrow function, let them use whatever function they can create. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. In 1 minute, at least always make it a pure function. Always strive for that. All right, let's go. The counting has started. We are back now. That was pretty fast. How was it?
Exciting.
Now let's have your functions. Post your functions in your groups, because we have your groups there. And then check them, Oscar.
Yes, sir.
I'm coming.
Okay, so far everybody is seeming to get the understanding or the implementation. Jason, yours is correct. Redo, yours is correct. Israel, it's half correct. I'm saying it's half correct because yes, it does implement the functionality, but it's not as pure as it needs to be. You remember the definition for pure functions? Is that for the same input, you're gonna have the same output. You don't need to be changing any of the variables, because if you check it out on your function, you actually change the balance variable. So on that one, and then push, deposit, those seems about right. But it's roughly returning a value, but I guess it's correct for now.
Right. There is one person who mutated the state. Am I right? Is it one or two? Israel. Okay. You see, Israel, you took the balance that was given to you and you added the deposit onto that given balance. And then you returned the balance. Don't mutate the balance. Use it. You just say balance plus deposit. Return that. Or create a new constant answer. Then assign it a balance plus deposit. Then return that constant answer. Okay, please. That one is
Okay,
very
so
important.
that's one thing I wanted to ask actually yesterday, because we were working on something and then inside the function we were assigning a certain value to a variable, yet we're not necessarily changing the state. But I wanted to ask how
Then
pure
make
was the
it
function?
constant. Make it constant. Don't use let, don't use there, because those ones they allow changes to the variable. Use const.
So in the instance like this, inside the deposit function, you would declare a constant variable saying,
yes,
probably new balance,
yes,
and then you're gonna
it will
assign it
be
the sum of balance and deposit, and then
yes,
you
it
return the
will
new
be
balance.
const answer or new balance, which is completely new. Then you take that balance deposit. So the moment the word const, we all know what it means. It means answer will never be changed. You return that. So that one is a very nice part here. Const. All right. Remember, Liseho, when you are defining a function, all right, here you said const deposit. I think that one needs improvement. If you are doing
Which
an
one,
arrow
sir?
function here where you said const deposit, it must have equal those two, and then you must return this. Do you see Liseho's answer down here? All right. Yes. Now it has been improved by Israel there. Const deposit,
Yes,
you
yes.
assign, you see the parameters, and then you've got that fat arrow, equal arrow, equal greater than fat arrow. Const answer, you assign balance plus deposit, you return the answer. All
So,
right.
sir, that does still stays as a pure function, right?
Yes, it's pure.
Okay, cool. That's one thing
In
I
the
wanted
sense
to.
that nothing, it has no side effects.
Okay.
It has zero side effects. If you want to master this, when you are at home, write about 50 different functions in JavaScript for different things, averages, for withdrawals, 50 different ones, so that when you come here now, you must be ready to say, now I want to go to group 2. Because this group here must, just for what you call it, orienting new people who have not done programming before. Any other question? I need to hand over back. I hope this will improve this very much. So make it more interactive, use breakout rooms. Dillon, or they will create the breakout rooms randomly assigned to people and let them do that. When they come back, let them give their own input. What I like with this is the moment you are able to create functions in JavaScript, you can then move into Helios, because we are using functional programming. Then you will master those functions deeper, at the same time creating smart contracts. Any question? Yes, Hilary? Yes, go ahead. Hilary, your hand
Okay.
is up.
Okay, I was raising my hand. I want to know the difference between the pure function and the other, because yesterday when it was mentioned yesterday, I think I have issues with network and I could not get it. So I was hearing the function and I didn't really understand That's why I want to ask the question.
You were breaking, Hillary. I didn't get what you wanted to say clearly. You were breaking.
Okay, I said yesterday when pure function and when they were mentioning some emphasis on pure function, I was having issues with network, so I didn't really understand what was said about pure function yesterday. So today I was in the call and I was still hearing pure function, and I didn't really understand because I was not getting it clearly yesterday due to network issues. So I really want to understand what the pure function is.
Who wants to explain pure functions to Hillary?
Okay, Hillary, with pure functions, as we go through the lessons from now on until going forward, I'm going to try to revisit the aspect or the concept of pure functions. But just to brief it up, pure functions are functions that take, for example, for the same input, they return the same output. And I'm going to show you the practicality of that for now. Because, for example, the exercises Sir just gave us, let me see your response. Wait. Okay, Hillary. Yes. If you see your function, right? Calculate new balance. That function is a pure function. Why? It takes for the same input of deposit and balance, it returns the same output. There are no side effects or whatsoever. By meaning side effects, you didn't change the state of your variable balance and you didn't change the state of your variable deposit. Do you understand that part?
Yes, I do.
Okay,
Right.
to
I'm
make you
trying
understand.
to give him just a simple example.
Okay.
Here I have got a function which this is the normal way we normally create functions. You will see this function here. I've introduced a variable called new total. Now, new total is a what we call a keyword let. Sometimes we normally write it like this: var new total equals to this. This is not a pure function. Why? Because this state, which is a local state, new, is mutatable. Although I didn't mutate it, I didn't change it here, I didn't, but it is mutatable. So, because it is mutatable and it can be changed, that's the introduction of bugs. If, for example, here I had another function, and this function was using another variable called new total without declaring it, this function will actually change this state. Then it will never guarantee us the return value of this as long as it is mutatable. In real code, you are going to see lots of functions inside a function. And should these ones use this variable, then they will change it. But if I do this, change this to const, then any function declared within here will be able to use this new total, but won't be able to change it because the const prevents it from being changed. Then if the const new total is the return value of this, whatever value it has, it will always be the same. Even if these new functions are there and they are using new total, they will use it without changing it. Then this way, it becomes a pure function, which means a function without side effects. Here is another way of introducing side effects. If inside here I say new total, then I get the value from the command from people and I say prompt. Then I say here, enter the amount. See, this is the default amount. So the moment I use prompt or console input from the user, enter new amount, then this will bring a box, and the box will have a default 0. And then the person who is running this is going to type a value onto new total. This will fail because here it's const. So this won't be possible. So that is why we say this return value will always be guaranteed to be here. This won't work. So this is a pure function when it doesn't have any side effects. It will come with practice, guys. I'm not supposed to take over this lesson. Please, if you have got any other questions, carry on with the Oscar and iron out. I think help each other. It's not only Oscar alone who knows. Others help each other. On this one here, I would like to jump off. Just allow me to jump off. Carry on with Oscar. Clarify all these other questions there. From me, do the things that I've requested you. Number one, email me your wallet address, your full name, name and surname, your email. Use one email. Also state what username are you using here on free conference call. If you are using a X username, say I'm using this X username, because sometimes I'm given usernames to pay people. There is no full name, no surname. There is no email. There is no phone number. So at least do the following things for me to make it easy to send you some incentives. Let me type it here. Reply to this email here at wims.io. Use this one. And then the second thing is send me your wallet address. This wallet address from Cardano wallet is better. Can always be changing, like I told you. So for me, I will always use your email, your free conference call username, because I see the free conference call username is different from the WhatsApp username. So give me both. What WhatsApp username are you using? For example, I am Bernard Sivanda, but I'm using Top Technology. So when you go to WhatsApp, you'll see Top Technology. So put in your WhatsApp username, then your free conference call username. Sometimes you've got your email you are using. The free conference call is using Gmail account. So it means now you've got two emails. When you send me with another email, and on the free conference call here, when you take the register, we see another email. Then send me, if you are using two emails, send me two emails. Two emails. If both are used in different places. Like for example, I am using Bessie at top.co.za. I will give Bessie at top.co.za. I will give top tech 236 at Gmail. I will give CTO at Gmail, because I use them in different places. The reason is, whenever they give me a register with one email, I must pick you up and know it's the same person and pay you once. Otherwise, you are going to send me three addresses in three different emails, yet it's one person. And that is an issue that we want to avoid. Okay, I am jumping off. Please, I would like to advise all of you, do not buy data from that guy who is selling on the WhatsApp group. He has robbed people money. You have seen him, he's selling cheap data there. I've tried to contact him to pay back that money he has collected. He just disappeared, but he keeps posting. I delete him and I block. Someone invites him, he comes back. I don't know, maybe he's working with other people here. So that is a problem of the what online things. Thank you. I'm going. Otherwise, I'll delay you guys. Yes. Yes.
Are we all supposed to give you the wallet addresses, or those who are from South Africa, they can give e-wallet number?
All right. That's a very good question. Yeah, do this for me. Send me also your e-wallet phone number. So that if I am paying you with e-wallet, then straight you go and get your e-wallet. At some point in time, I'm going to be paying you all in ETA, so that when I report also to say these are the payments I have done, it's all a list of other transaction addresses that I send you, because you are developers for Cardano, and Cardano development will want you to connect your app to other wallet, to Cardano wallet, Yoroi, Nami, all this, and then your app is going to be transacting and paying people what, like what we have seen. You need to know how to use Cardano wallet. This is an opportunity for you to learn also how to use Cardano wallet. There is nothing bad at all about that. At some point in time, if you are hired by Cardano and they are paying you 2,000 ETA, and then you start telling them you don't know how to use a wallet, then Coxygen will look very bad. So all of you, I think, try that. But then remember, when I send the money, I prefer, if it's too small, like now I have to send 10 ETA, 10 ETA, 20 ETA, 20 ETA. Sometimes it's better we can wait till end of the month, and then we add up all your what? Your attendance. Maybe it comes to 60 ETA, then I send it once. Because remember, for every 10 ETA that I send, I pay almost 1 ETA, 0.7 cent, loveless. So now, if I am going to send one person every week, then it means one person now, I am paying something like 3 ETA. But now you are 20 here. It means now I multiply by 3. That's it's 60 ETA in transaction fees that I'm going to lose. It's better once a month I add all your money together. I do one transaction for one person. Then I've got only 20 transactions. That is my suggestion. Even on e-wallet, the bank charges for that e-wallet. So I think that is the best way to do it. I am going to improve these incentives. I'm going to add 3 ETA on top to make it 13 ETA on people that are really productive. I'm going to subtract 7 ETA on people that are not active and productive. So if you just come here and sleep, you might find yourself receiving 3 ETA. On your FTP account is blank. On your GitHub is blank. But you are attending every day. It's better if you are attending every day, you are taking part, you are learning, you are improving. Let's give you more. If you are not utilizing the opportunity, let's give you less as 3 Ether. We incentivize by increasing to 13 Ether, those that are really productive. And then we remove 7 Ether on those that simply put up a what? Just join and you go away. Those that are passive. Will it work? I'm not introducing it now, no, but think about it in future. So the people who were asking me to pay them almost many times, they are not attending here. That's my worry again. Don't see them here. All right, bye-bye. Let me jump off.
Israel, your hand is up. Do you want to ask a question?
It's okay. I wanted to ask him if he was talking about changing the wallet addresses. So I wanted to ask him how he changed it.
I'm pretty sure if not Ellen or Jason has the knowledge for that. Or even Rido might have some. So can you please assist Israel with that? Or also me, because I don't have that knowledge.
Yeah, if you have that knowledge, can you please assist us here? Or should I ask him?
Yeah, please ask him. Yeah, this is new to me. I thought maybe you're creating another wallet, but it seems like you can change it.
I'm not sure, but might you can add another account or something like that. Because when I was going through the army, I didn't see anything about changing like the address.
Does everybody else have a question? Hillary, your hand is up.
I think my question was really, I was trying to ask about the wallet address, like how do we change it every time? But somebody already asked the question, and I believe it was answered.
Okay, no problem. I guess we'll do some research on that and then we'll get back to everyone.
Sounds proper.
Okay, guys, my time is low key up, but we can go about it. Yes, Mary?
About the wallet address change, I use URI, and anytime you can generate a new address to use for receiving. So happy to create new address anytime you want.
I think with the you mean like what kind of address do you change or what do you change the address to? Is that what you're saying? Because I couldn't hear you properly.
So I use URI wallet. And
You
with
use the
that,
NAMI wallet.
no, URI.
She uses URI.
Oh.
Yes,
Okay.
with that wallet, you can generate new address anytime you want. So you don't have to be using an old address to receive ADA. You can change it, generating new addresses from URI.
Oh, no problem. That means you sound sorted on your side.
Okay, so instead of using NAMI wallet, you just use URI in terms of generating new
address.
Okay, guys, he said he's gonna teach us how to do it. And he said it's very easy to do it, but he's gonna teach us how. Not today.
Rito, can you please ask him if the reset wallet button on the Nami wallet, because that's the option that I'm seeing.
If it's what?
I also saw
There's
it there,
a
reset,
reset
but it's
wallet.
in
Just
red.
ask him if it's that option.
Research.
Yeah, please ask him.
Okay, let me ask.
So guys, is there any more questions on the exercises we were doing today? Who needs help? Who needs more exercises?
We didn't do the last exercise, so I don't know. Hi.
Yes, Isaac, talk to us.
Good morning. Please, I think I have ever joined this group once. I think Reto, I WhatsApp her that I'm new. I'm actually new. I don't actually know much. So the prerequisite was sent to me. I was able to download some, and I think one of them I'm not able to download. So I was thinking, we those who are in the beginners class, I actually don't know where we are starting from. How to even start is a problem for me.
Can you please repeat that real quickly? You were thinking what?
The beginners class. How do we start?
Okay,
Because I think it's a professional class.
okay, no problem. Since I have a few beginner students or people. Okay, let's do this. Can everybody who's not proficient with JavaScript and are totally new to the programming language write down their names on the chat section so that time and delegate it to you guys specifically. So if you are new to JavaScript, please write down your name on the chat section so that I can post you on a list for the people that need the beginners class. Okay, we got Hillary. Who else?
Oh, okay, guys. You said it's gonna show us. It's not on Nami Wallet. I think you use what? Luna, what? Yeah. It's not on Nami Wallet. It said it's gonna show us.
So there's only two people who's having a hard time with JavaScript. Guys, I repeat, are there only who are only beginning with JavaScript? Because Ridu, can you please send you remember the prerequisites for the groups you sent during the last the few first meetings? Ridu?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, can you please resend it and pin it on the group one group chat? Isaac, are you in the group one group chat?
Yes, I'm in the group. One.
Okay, cool, no problem. So Reader will send the list with the links for the prerequisite list and try to do them. And if you need any help, just request some help on the group chat and somebody will help you. It's either me, Redu, or anybody else that has already done it.
Okay, but
Scott,
I'm
I'm
also not
missing the one-on-one.
Pardon?
the WhatsApp group. I'm not there.
You're not in the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, the general WhatsApp platform.
Okay. Everybody who's not in the WhatsApp group, can you please quickly share your numbers so that it's either I will add you or Redu will add you. But either way, one of us will add you. Chinaza, are you good with JavaScript?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Chinaza, I see. Yes, I wanted to ask if you're already good with JavaScript. You already have a beginner's insight, and you're not lost.
But
You're not lost.
um, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I just have some basic introduction, but not so good.
Okay, no problem. I guess so. I can still add you just for you to reinforce your knowledge, because you need to be practicing every now and then.
Okay, sir.
So I'll add you in that group. So no problem. So everybody else who doesn't have group one, who's not in group one and needs to be in group one, please send your numbers so that I can include you in the group one group chat. Hillary, you didn't send your numbers, or are you in the group chat? Anonymous, I think this is Mary. Mary, is it you who just sent your number 070? Guys, don't be shy to send your numbers for the group chat. It's just for learning, nothing else, nothing more. If you feel like you still need some basic understanding of JavaScript, just raise your hand and say your name. Okay, Hillary, this is you. So I only got 5 people that are not in the group chat and are JavaScript beginners. Am I correct? Because the only names I got right now is Sayer, Hillary, Mary, Chinaza, and Isaac. The only people that need some help. Correct? Agachukwu, can you please send your numbers so that I can include you in the group chat? Guys, I need to know who's anonymous. I need to know your name. So we also have John, right? Okay, cool. Okay, guys, now I'm lost.
Yes, I did hear what you said.
Guys, who's anonymous? Hello?
Please respond, anonymous.
Okay, no problem. Now I know. So the numbers of 070488, it's your number, Akachuku. Okay, no problem. And then for John, you just sent another different name. I'm lost. What's happening? So, John, your numbers are 090600, right? Okay, no problem. So, guys, please tell me if I'm missing anyone that needs to be added in the group chat. There's Hillary, there's Isaac, there's Chinaza, and Akachugu, aka Anonymous. Who else? John, and also Savior, right? If I didn't call out your name, please correct me or send me your number. And if I called everybody's name, just throw a thumbs up or send a thumbs up on the chat so that I know we are on par. Okay, seems like everybody's good. Everyone is good. Alright, cool. So Dylan, when are you gonna be starting with group 3? Because I'm pretty sure we are down with group 1. I'll just send some couple of exercises for the people that are in group 1, not in group 1/beginners. Yeah. I'll send the exercises for us to be working on and some new concepts and topics that are gonna dive into the Helios implementation. Just a bit, not too much, just a bit.
Okay, for me, I think we can start within 30 minutes. I think I've passed 3. For those ones in group 3, yes, the ones who have knowledge in Helios and also JavaScript, yes, who have a meeting for NFT marketplace. Yes, I've passed, I think I've passed 1, yes, around, yeah, within 30 minutes, we should start.
Riddle, can I please ask? So the register we are marking right now, is it for group 1 or for group leaders?
For group, if you attended for group leaders, then group 1. Yeah, you have to
Oh,
tick
so you
them.
can actually, oh, both of them. Oh, you actually tick now. Yo, you fixed it.
Okay, so assuming you're going to attend also for group 3, do we have to mark now or mark when you attend then?
You'll mark when you're done.
Right.
Yeah, please fill in the register, guys. I've sent it on the chat, even on WhatsApp group.
Oh, and guys, I'll try, for those who are new, I'll try to give you guys the notes from the lesson 1, a couple of exercises, and the note, just like the note, I'll just be giving the overall notes from the beginning of the classes until the end. And then I'll show you guys the link for you on where you can actually reach that. Is that okay for everyone?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. No problem.
Yeah, if you don't have FTP account, can you please raise up your hand? So do we all have the FTP account? Can you please raise your hands if you don't have? It's Hillary and Ataya and who else? Akachuku. Who else? It's almost three of you. I also saw Chimasa. Obina, do you have a FTP account? Okay. So it's Chinaza, Ataya, Hilary, and Akachuku only, ne? Okay, fine then. So are we done with group 1? Group 3 is gonna be from half past 1.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Because so should they leave the meeting or they can just wait? Okay, so if you want,
Yeah. If yeah, they can leave. Yes. Then we'll join around half past.
yeah, if you want to join group 3, you can leave or you can just wait here if you can. Yeah. Thank you for group 1. Let me just stop recording, then we'll record for group 3.
Thank you everyone for the group 1 session. Thank you for the interaction and participation. And that will be all from me. I'll catch you next time.
Welcome to Oxygen, a Cardano Live Technical Smart Contract Support Service. Today is 15 August 2024. My name is Rudochira Mambeta, and can you guys introduce yourself?
Okay. My name is Dylan Onyeze, and I'm doing my final year at Ridgewood Graduate Institute of Technology, and I'm the group leader of Group 3.
Hello, my name is Jason Kayla, and I'm a final year student at Richfield, and I'm part of Group 3 under Talent. Thank you.
My name is Israel Aunanye. I'm in the institution of Richfield, and yes, I'm in Group 3 also.
My name is Lesego. I am a BSc IT third year student at Richfield, and I'm currently working on the NFT marketplace in Group 3.
Yeah, you can start.
Okay, let's begin. So I'm just going to go over the requirements for the NFT marketplace, right? Let me just open the link and then I'll share my screen after. Okay, share. Current desktop. Okay, right. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So we're required to create an NFT marketplace, right? Yes. Um, and these are the requirements 1 up to 5. Let's just go over them again. So it says design and implement a smart contract for an NFT marketplace where the following conditions are met, right? NFT sale, NFT sale in test header. The seller lists an NFT for sale in test header. Owner commission. The owner of the smart contract charges a 3% commission of all sold NFTs. Correct payment enforcement. The NFT ensures that the smart contract ensures that only buyers who have paid the correct amount receive the NFT. Price flexibility. The seller can update the sale price or withdraw the NFT from the sale at any time. Sales deadline and early discount. Each sale must have a deadline and a discount, and a discount is applied if the purchase is made before the deadline. Ensure that the owner's commission is deducted and distributed correctly regardless of any price charges or withdrawals for the sellers. And does anyone have an idea of how we can do this? Anyone?
I think first we need to define our functions, like what functions are we gonna use.
Right.
Because
Defining
I think
functions, right?
I'm struggling to hear what the people are saying online.
I was saying we need to first define our functions.
Okay, which is correct. Defining functions, right? Yes. But then, besides defining functions, right? How do you think we should implement? How do you think it should work? Besides getting to technical details, how do you think the NFT marketplace should function? From your understanding out of this.
So what?
Yeah, Jason.
So what I was thinking, we pull like the information
Right.
about the NFT from the seller, right?
Yes.
Then in that NFT, it was an object, right? Then we can add like our own properties to that NFT, like one property sale, another property price, which was the price as well as a sale. You can even include discount. So there, once you implement it, we will be able to like pull the price of the NFT that is listed or required by the seller. Yeah, I'm not sure, but that's what I'm thinking.
Okay, no, that's a good guess. That's a good try. Israel. Okay. Yes. Both of your answers were correct about defining the functions and also adding properties.
Can I share screen? Like,
yes, you can.
I just want.
Has started.
Okay.
I just want to show, like, for instance, how
it should look like, how it should function.
can you see my screen?
Not yes, you can see.
So we have here display NFT information, right? This is the file that you sent me, the coxylab.js.
Yes.
So we come here to this NFT info. So what we can do is, like, we can add price, then we can say maybe NFT.price, or like maybe 2 trillion. Then discount something like 10% probably. Then sale, you can put up for sale, something like that, but in a string, like this. Or if it's not for sale, you can put not for sale, something like that. So this is what I was thinking. You see?
Alright.
So I'm not sure.
No, that's a good way of doing it. Actually, I never thought about it like that. So you're saying we can add certain properties such as discount, if it's on discount.
Price.
And it's taken from the seller, right?
Sorry?
Those information is taken from the seller.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Now the thing is also to remove it. We also have to be able to insert it and also remove it.
Okay. Okay, just wait a minute.
What do you mean, Isra?
So I'm saying, let's think of it as we're in a real market, right? I'm selling something, then I change my mind. I don't want to sell what I wanted to sell. I want to remove it. So the NFT, when we say, look, when the user or the seller wants to retrieve what the NFT is able to in the click of a button, is that possible?
Like, the property sale will determine whether it's up for sale or not. So you can put there by sale, not for sale, or up for sale, something like that. So if you see
why don't you just remove it?
if you see that it's not for sale,
I'm saying instead of saying not for sale, why don't you just remove it?
then you remove it. And what if you wanna make it for sale again?
Then you add it again.
You see the admin. So you add and remove the whole time instead of just modifying the property. And you can do that at the push of a button. Maybe if it's for sale, just press sale, then it modifies up for sale.
But
Now
the
you
user
remove
also.
it, the property won't be there anymore.
So if you put it up for sale, what if the user wants to now modify the price? Will he be able to modify it if you say not for sale, or it will still be at the same price?
If it's not for sale, there won't be price, right? So we don't have to display like the price. Like these properties we can display. For instance, we're pushing it to an array.
Yes, I understand. And I'm saying now, if the user says, look, okay, I want to put it up for sale, the previous price he put it for sale before he said, look, I don't want to put it up for sale, will it still be the same price? Or he'll be able to change the price? That's my question.
You'll be able to change it.
How?
For instance, there will be like a text box or text field with a label saying update price. Then you can put the price that you want to update it to.
Okay, Dylan, are you listening? taking notes.
No, it's just a thought. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I get your point. I get your point. But I think there should also be an option to remove. I think it needs to be good.
Oh, okay.
I don't understand your remove. Explain further what you remove.
Okay. Okay. From my understanding, from what Jason is saying, right? You should give it a property, right? Like an NFT, you give it a property, right? So if it's for sale, it will be displayed on the web, on the page, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Right, but then you said something important that I forgot. So I think we should have like a mechanism whereby if it's not for sale, it will be displayed. Okay, let me just share my screen. Yeah, the circle.
Does the guideline require us to have like a remove function?
It says it needs to be dynamic, meaning that you can easily remove, because it says the seller can update the price or withdraw the NFT from the sale at any time.
Okay, so meaning we do need to have like a remove function.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Or a remove function, yes, yes. We need a remove function.
Then you can also update it like Jason was saying. Like there should be something outside, like a text box or a list box that allows us to update the price for the NFT. But if me as a user I decide I don't want to sell this digital asset anymore, so I can just remove it or withdraw.
Okay. So let's say that the only problem, okay, there's an issue that I'm trying to figure out, right? Like, is there supposed to be like an admin page where you list your NFTs on the page? Because from what I created, right, the page only allows you to show your NFTs. What if you want to buy from someone? Understand? You understand?
I think it would be wise to, but it doesn't have to be anything fancy. Like the yesterday, when was it when we were working on this? I think it was Monday. I was asking you if it would be possible to also display the image from the wallet.
I think it's possible. It should be possible. The implementation part, that's the tricky part, because we managed to show the wallet data. In fact, let me just share this link. Wallet page. That part, I don't know exactly how we can do it to show the image, such as the
Is it possible to use a list box?
and
Or
this
combo
box.
box?
What's that one website with a marketplace? Is it
The one I sent you.
Yes, that one. Can you not share the link?
I sent it on the group now.
Okay.
On the chat, sorry, on the chat.
Makadahub.io. Alright. Yeah, this part here. Okay, so would have a connect where you connect to your wallet, right? Okay. Basically, you send something like this, right? To show an image.
Yeah, I was saying something like that just to show the image. And then how much was my NFT last time when I sent it to you? It was about 1 ad, and
Yeah, about 1 ADA, yeah. Approximately, more or less, 1 ADA.
So what I think,
maybe the
I have a little idea. I don't know. So if I wanted to get a digital picture, isn't there like a way you can just get a upload button to upload a file? And then when you upload the file and then you give the details of how much you want to sell and all those things, when you press the when you mint the NFT, you can then it will then show I don't know, you can then show it like that, as in a div box with a picture. Under the picture it has the name, the value, how much price it is. I don't know if you're getting what I'm trying to say. Let's say in an array or so, or you're displaying it.
I understand what you mean. So we are saying we should have like a function to mint an NFT.
Yes, to mint it, and then you just pack it together, and then inside that it's showing the name, the name, the amount, and all those things. I don't know if it will work.
It should work. Was okay. Was alright. Was initially what I thought of. I think like the wrong idea. Like you're supposed to sell the NFTs out of your wallet. Understand? So I guess we can just create a function whereby we upload the file, yeah, and then you give it an asset name, like a description, the properties that are required for you to mint an NFT. And then after then you mint it, right, then it will display on the web page.
Yes, like that. When it displays on the web page, then the user can then download it, can buy it with that price and then yeah, we have to also create a function to also update the prices and all that when the thing has been bought, something like that.
Okay. I think I get what you say. Yeah, Jason?
Like to display the image, isn't it like a URL that is within the NFT that we can extract from to display it? Like
Oh, you mean, okay, you mean when you're minting an NFT. Okay, let me just check
yeah, there's a URL you provide, right?
Yes, you could do that, but then what if the thing is in the person's local like machine? He has to go to I think he has to go inside his machine to just extract it.
Suko, you have something to say?
Nothing. I just forgot to raise my hand down.
Oh, okay. Alright. So alright. Okay, so then that eliminates the use of taking your a function to display every NFT that you have on the wallet. In fact, so those NFTs, they're not from a wallet.
No, we can say that when the person buys the digital asset, it then goes to your wallet.
Mr. Swanda, can I just
Hello?
Yes, can I just confirm something with you? This marketplace, this NFTs that are displayed here,
Yes.
are they from a wallet or they're stored somewhere? This one.
I'm trying to get to this website. Send me a link.
Okay.
It's called what? Cardano.
Cardano, yes.
Let me just check. Cardano. GitHub. This is GitHub.
The sent on chat, sir.
Right, portal essential Cardano serialization, essential Cardano developer portal, Cardano SIPs. All right, I'm opening it here. All right, let me get your question. Your question is, where are these NFTs they are selling coming from?
Yes.
Are they coming from the wallet or they are coming from like the person's machine?
There are different ways. There are different ways, I think, of approaching this. They should be on a smart contract.
Yes, sir. That's what I was thinking, mate. It's on the blockchain. On chain.
Yeah. There are so many examples of creating marketplace for you to see. I have no idea about that one. But let me see if we can get something easier. Or we just plan it, mesh marketplace. You just plan it and then you design it. Mesh, no, that one is a different one. Let me say NFT. Because this one that you have sent me, I've tried to check the GitHub. They don't have any code about what you see there. Was that done with Cardano or with something else?
Because there is ADA here, which is displayed. So I'm guessing it was from
Which means
Cardano.
it was done by Cardano, but they don't have what you call it. They don't have it on the GitHub so that you can answer your question.
Yeah, it seems like so because it was last updated like 2021. I don't know if it's still
The
relevant.
last updated, it was what? 2021.
Yeah, if I see the copyright there under, it's written 2020.
Then it's too old. Then it will be too old. Let me give you one of these links. Click this one by mesh. This one is an example. Build an NFT marketplace effortlessly. List assets, buy assets, update listing. This is using mesh. What we want first maybe is what is a concept of how to go about doing it. Then you write your code. So this one with mesh, I think is a good example we can use. Just look at it. We can test it online. I think it allows testing. Like it says, list assets. Then I connect my NAMI wallet. Then there is the how many do I have, the quantity list assets for sale. Then there is the asset unit. And then from there, you've got the contract. Then you sign that. Then from there, you buy the asset. There is the buy the asset. Contract get UTXO by TX hash. Await, then you get the UTXO. Update. There is, you update the quantity. And then there is a GitHub for this one. So you can go to GitHub, look at the code. So that is what we can do. Right, I'm opening the GitHub. There is the GitHub apps. Playground docs. Where is the marketplace here? Scripts. Even this one on Mesh, the marketplace is there. All right. Let us list the features, the basic features for the marketplace, so that we can code it straight, step by step. They should all have the same features, like you have a buyer, you have a seller, I think here, and then you have got somewhere where that marketplace, like a smart contract.
Okay, so we'll say the basic features like buy, sell.
Yes. Right. Let's say number one, you mint. The first thing you need to mint NFT that you will want to sell, isn't it?
Yes.
So we can take it step by step. You mint an NFT that you want to sell. That is the first thing that must happen with me on my NAMI wallet. Then the second thing, I need to publish this NFT on a marketplace. Otherwise, people won't know. When you publish it there, it must have sales details. Like that. So you can open your NAMI wallet, you've got an NFT. But then you need to go to a marketplace. On a marketplace, you connect on the marketplace with your NAMI wallet. Then your marketplace must pull out your NFT details. Then you must say sell and put a price. Are we together with this?
So can you just repeat again the part of the seller?
Right. Can I share and then we do what do you call it? Some drawings. Do we have a board to draw here?
Yes, I think you can draw. If you're an admin, you can draw.
Where is that board? Whiteboard. 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 Yeah, whiteboard. Free conference call whiteboard. And there we go. Where do I get this free conference call whiteboard? On our free conference call here, where is the whiteboard?
So you can press the share button, and then on the share button, there are options which give you share whiteboard, share desktop broadcast. I don't know if you're
I first click share screen, isn't it?
Yes.
Then I've got tab, I've got window, I've got entire screen.
Also whiteboard.
Okay, let me try again. Okay, let me do this. There is an arrow down there. Allow only host to share, attendees to share. Alright, let's go. I've clicked the share, but I don't see the whiteboard. It only says share screen. There is upload or share files.
So are you using the web version or the installed version, like the desktop?
I'm using the web version. All right, it's fine. You have got it there. How do I access it? Send a link.
I think so you're sharing it. Who's sharing the screen? Oh, it's Jason.
Okay.
Yes. It's the same way Dylan said, like you press share, then you have like 4 options there. Share desktop 1, broadcaster, choose apps, and whiteboard.
No, the whiteboard is not showing on my side. As long as you can share that side, send me the link to that whiteboard. That will still be fine.
Okay.
Just open it, and then as long as you send me the link to the whiteboard, then we can all together put up ideas there.
Okay, how do you, okay, I'm able to attend. Okay. Yes.
Right, I see you have got a whiteboard, but from my side,
You should be able to access it. I think someone is drawing right now. Yes.
yes. Are you all able to draw there? Try to draw all inside. Let's see.
Yes, I can draw.
That's very strange. All of you, you are there. On your settings there, do you have somewhere for share settings to make sure that everyone here can access the whiteboard?
Yes, I enabled it.
You have enabled it.
Yes.
I've got broadcaster, select items to share. Yes, now I see whiteboard conference. That's the wrong one. Very strange. Let me come again. Why is my sharing option so limited?
And I don't know, maybe you're using the web version. Usually web applications have limited features compared to the desktop.
You installed the desktop.
Yes, the desktop
on
version.
your machine, because I've got Linux.
Yes.
Yeah, that could be the reason. Free conference call. I'm using a old one. Let me see if there's a Linux which I can install. Account dashboard, online meetings. Are you? Yes, Mener, how are you? All right, good. I'm coming outside. All right, I'm going to leave you using this whiteboard, all of you. Can you draw each other to show those steps like I showed you? Number one, you have a wallet, you have a marketplace, you mint tokens. You need to get them to the marketplace so that anyone who goes to the marketplace has a list of NFTs from different wallets. How do you get it to the marketplace? When you run the marketplace, it must say connect your wallet. When you connect your wallet, then it's going to pull out your NFT from your wallet and display it there. Then it must give you, the app must give you a chance to say sell. Then you put a price there. Because it has connected, it has pulled out your wallet, then it has got the wallet asset ID or name, or what you call it, that hash that identifies it. Then the marketplace can always pull this, even when your wallet is not there, from the blockchain using block frost. Then the marketplace must save all these into the database. The what you call it, the NFT asset names, because they are there in the blockchain. Then when it runs, it will pull out all these and display the pictures. Even if the pictures, it will display the pictures there. Then there. So when somebody is now buying, that NFT has your wallet account. Remember, your NFT is on the blockchain. So it means it must move from a wallet to the smart contract. So that when a person sends the header goes into your wallet, and then the smart contract is able to transfer the NFT into the buyer. So your answer to your question is, where is the NFT information? It is on the smart contract. A brainstorm, there's somebody calling me outside.
Okay. So what's basically said from my understanding is, if okay, the NFT has to be on the smart contract, or a buyer, for someone to buy the NFT. I don't know if anyone understood that.
Please repeat. Yeah.
I'm saying that what Phil was saying, from my understanding, is that in order for one to get their NFT which they've bought, right, the NFT has to be on a smart contract. Then on that smart contract, you have to the smart contract has to transfer the NFT to a recipient who has bought it with either. That part I didn't understand exactly what segment.
Okay. I think you know what I think we should do. Let's start with what we can start with because it's the 15th. So the first thing we need to do is connect the wallet to the user has to connect to the wallet to his wallet his or her wallet. And when the user connects to his or her wallet, it should display his amount. I think the amount is fine. But we also need to display the address.
You're saying you're saying one has to connect to the wallet.
Yes, means when the person gets to the website, I think it's either there's a button there that says connect to your Nami wallet, connect to your I wallet or something like that. There's a button there that says okay connect. Once the user is connected, I'm saying should it show the user's balance, as in it's his money, his or her money, or should it also show his address or something? What do you guys think? I think the money is enough.
You're saying if someone connects to the wallet, it's someone has to show the balance and the wallet address.
I'm saying it has to show the balance, his or her balance. But I'm asking, should it also display his or her address? Because I don't think it's useful.
Okay. What do you guys think?
Mr. Your hands up, please.
Okay, I was waiting for someone else to speak. Okay, what I think, I think the balance is something that's a bit too personal. But there's some way that we can validate that, this person has enough error to actually buy that NFT. So what I think the first step that we need to do is like mint a token. I don't mind doing that. And then second step could be what Easy said, in terms of like connecting the wallet to the marketplace, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you're saying we should create Wait, can you repeat again? I don't think I understood what you
The
meant.
first step that we need to do, because we're listing a token. So first thing that we need to do is mint the token.
Okay.
And then the second step can be connecting the wallet to the marketplace.
Can I ask? Isn't the token coming from the wallet again?
Yeah, it's coming from the wallet.
So don't you need to connect to your wallet in order to take to mint?
Yeah, you do.
So the first thing is to connect, then we can then mint.
So do you want us to have like a space whereby you can mint the token on the marketplace, or it
Yes.
should just be something that our wallet?
Yes, and you see, let's say there's a page that allows him to mint a token.
Okay.
I agree with you. Metan sir mentioned to my NFT.
Yeah, so I think we can start with that now. Because if we keep on trying to, we will not get confused.
If we're saying means, yeah.
So first we connect to the wallet. Then since we're collecting the NFT from the wallet, we have to first connect to the wallet in order to take it out. So when you're connected, you can then say, look, oh, I want to mint a token, I want to mint an NFT, and then yeah. And then also to display the NFT onto the page. Those three. I think we can start with those three.
Okay. Let me just type it here. Connect to wallet, right? Then two means NFT. NFT. Is that what you're saying? We first connect to a wallet.
Yes, then mint.
Okay. And then three, it displays, okay, it displays your NFT. Should it be like that? First connect,
Yes.
you mean
Then display.
then display.
Yeah.
Then let's say there's a way of showing the picture. But then I don't know if Helios it's possible with Helios, but from the link he gave us for Mesh.js, seems like it's possible.
Yeah, I think it's possible. I think there's a way. You just have to find the way.
Yeah. Okay, I think we should, yeah, he spoke about block first. Shall block.
So how long do you think this will take us to do?
You think?
I'm saying how long do you think it will take us to do? Then we can go to the next phase. I want to break it down into pieces so that we have a timeline before August we're done. That's what I'm trying to do. That if we can do those three and then the following three and then the following three up until the end of August, I think we can finish it.
Yeah, for sure, because connecting to the wallet is simple. And displaying your NFTs, we did do that, but then with data, like just data here. In fact, let me do this. So, um, let me try and share a link with you guys. Just give me a minute.
Shiro, you wanna say something?
I forgot to put my hand down. Dylan, are we gonna use your PC to do everything?
Not necessarily. Can you just you guys can you just connect? Can you just go to this link that I sent right now? Just make sure that your wallet is enabled. Though I want to make sure if this is working perfectly.
Yeah, it asks for my wallet address if you wanted, and you ask for my wallet access. That's okay.
It seems like there are certain things which are required in order to also list the NFTs for on the marketplace, which I don't think say covered that. I don't know. With Helios, no, I don't think so.
Please repeat.
I'm saying it seems as though there are things which are required in order for you to display the NFT and also to send an NFT to the smart contract. What say was explaining.
If I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure you guys were correct, but in that Helios book, isn't the that I think it's a data type pub key hash. Don't we use that to identify the owner of the NFT?
Key hash. Do you mind sending the link? Wait, which book? The one which was sent on WhatsApp
Remember
or the
the
web?
in contrast book? No, not that book. The first one where we had 30 questions.
I don't see it. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Which say it's let's see who it was
Pub key
public.
hash. Nah, it's just public key hash.
Key hash. I don't see it.
The public key hash is there it is. The public key hash is for.
No, I was asking, can't you use that to identify the seller?
How do you want to identify the seller?
Please repeat.
How do you want to identify the seller? Like through his wallet address?
Yeah, all of those things. I was asking, can't you use that?
I mean, why would okay? It's not like we know the.
Why do
Like
why
why?
want to identify the seller?
You like identify the seller, it gives you like all the details, the address, the token name, and all that. It's just a question. I'm not saying we should use it. I'm asking if we can use PubKey hash.
I don't think so. Hey?
It's not possible, ne?
Yeah, it's not. Because I don't see the use of identifying the thing at all. Yeah, this is complicated. Many generations of pets. Okay. I think we should check out that link that Sir gave us for the mesh.js. It might give us a clue on how we can do this.
Hi, please, can you share this link on the group, this page?
Okay. Okay. Import smart contract, import from the core, transform, upload. Okay. I don't understand. I've lost it. How do we start this? Was from what we have now, you say we connect to a wallet, we mint an NFT, right? Which is cool. Then after that, it displays. Okay, yeah, it should display. Okay, it displays your NFT. It's another thing again.
Yeah, so this solves our first problem. You see the one where it says list assets. It solves that problem. Now the next step is buying the assets that are listed.
Okay, it says list an asset on the marketplace. This will allow others will allow other users to buy the asset. The seller will receive the listing price in order. The seller can sell the listing at any time. The seller can also update the listing price at any time. List listing asset for sale. The function accepts the following parameters: an asset string, the asset unit which is listed.
Now,
Number.
I wanted to ask, do we have these functions also in Helios, or is it just Mesh?
Nah, I don't think so. That's the thing. Like, I don't think um Helios says this. I know it should have.
But I think it should have, though. I think it should. You just have to look for it.
But since like JS is good documentation, Helios it's another thing. With it actually shows you how each function operates. You list your pricing in Lovelace, right? So if I say a million, it actually changes here. Like look,
What's asset units?
asset unit, asset unit to be listed. I'm not sure. Eh?
Is that the asset?
The address.
Is that the NFT address or something? I don't know. I don't know.
Let me check the asset name. I don't think so, eh? Because usually the assets are listed to the assets.1. See what assets. There's usually an asset at the first. The first name here, it's not shown. Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
can buy an asset. I think our first tackle should be how can you to mint an NFT. Let's say that. That's the first part.
Yeah.
Right. Then
So I look now in the Helios file, there's no such thing as listed set there.
well, it's not that.
Nope, it's not there.
It could have another name, man.
Okay.
Right? If you have another name in mind, you can go look there for yourself, you know. Look through 56,000 lines of code.
uh,
I think we're going next year. Um, right, Manuel. Do you think we should also learn Mesh in order to create this marketplace? I mean, this is the only link that SEC gave us.
I don't think so. Rosa gave us like this like, to help us to see what to do.
transaction, interval, right? Okay, to initialize the marketplace, we import an HTTPS contract. The first JSON object is the import for the mesh transactional input. This requires the mesh builder or the provider or wallet to define the network ID. Second, set parameters of the owner's address and fee percentage base and okay. Now which will receive the market fees a fee of 2%. Okay. If we're taking the examples which are provided by mesh.js.dev, we'd first initialize the marketplace like what it says here. Contract, mesh, builder, feature, blockchain provider, enable first provider, API. Yani servers. Mhm. I think we just have to start with the minting first. Let's just start with minting how we can mint an NFT and then okay connect to a wallet. I think I'm assuming everybody knows how to do that to connect to a wallet.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then after we need to figure out exactly how you can mint an NFT. I'm not sure. Jason, did you cover that the part for minting an NFT?
Sorry?
So did you cover the minting in NFT?
Like in group 2?
Yes.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
But I sent a link, like this video by Lawrence, where he mentioned NFT to the group.
Okay. No, I mean like to practically create an application to mint an NFT.
Not yet.
Okay. All right.
I didn't cover it yet in group 2.
Okay. Because that's the part that we need first to mint an NFT. Then afterwards, we can see where we can go from here. Because right now I'm also lost on how to do this. Because the idea that I had was different from what Say is saying right now. I don't know if anyone else also has an idea of how we can create an NFT marketplace, please say something. Simpiwe, Profina, Douglas.
Dylan,
Yeah.
in your spare time, please send me back that NFT.
Didn't I send it back?
I don't think so. Nah, you didn't send it back.
Okay, I'll send it back. Douglas, hello. Ibuka. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Are you in the group 3 meeting? Are you in the group 3 WhatsApp group?
No. No,
Okay.
I just joined this call. Yes.
All right. Have you done Helios before?
No, sorry, I can't hear you. The sound is very low.
I'm saying, have you done Helios before?
Have I?
Have you done Helios?
Sorry,
Have you
hello.
done have
Yes.
you done Helios before?
Okay. Because I just want to know everyone is on board. Since who hasn't said anything, Simpiwe, hello.
Helen, may I please be excused?
Hi. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm doing great.
Okay.
Are you saying, Jason?
Sorry?
No, I'm talking to Jason. You're about to say something?
Yeah, I wanted to ask if I can be excused because I have to go pick up my brother. No.
Okay.
Is it okay?
I have to give you guys a task, though. It's about minting NFT so that you can move on. We can do something for now. Because it's almost.
Will you be able to send it on the group chat?
Yeah, I'll send it.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yeah, sorry I'm back. I think I was having a problem with my internet.
Okay. Yes, I was asking you if you were familiar with Helios. If you are familiar with Helios.
Sorry, I think I'm familiar.
Okay, just look at the chat. Just look at the group. Just look at the group chat.
Okay, no, I'm not familiar with this framework.
You're not familiar with it, eh?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Is this your first lesson, or you were there on the previous lesson?
I'm just joining for the first time.
Oh, this is your first meeting.
Yes.
Okay, are you familiar with JavaScript?
Yes, I am.
Okay. But then Helios, you're not, right?
Sir?
I'm saying with Helios.js, you're not familiar with that.
No, I'm not familiar with that.
Okay.
I'm familiar with
Okay. Okay, can you just send your numbers or just say hi? Just raise your hand on the main group chat on WhatsApp.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. Because this meeting is mostly for the people who are now familiar with Helios.
Okay.
Dylan,
Yeah.
I'm familiar with minting an NFT, but I would like to know what would step 2 be in the project, so that I can also work on that. And then, yeah, because minting the NFT and all that, I don't think that's much of an issue. I just wanted to know what step 2 would be.
Okay. Step 2. Okay. Everyone right now should be able to know how to connect, and also you have to mint an NFT. I think step 3 should be to transfer an NFT from one wallet to another.
Okay, I get you.
Yes.
Last question. How would I go about listing the NFT?
What about display?
I should just display it next.
Yeah, I was thinking, what about displaying the NFT with the picture or with the asset?
More of a static approach in terms of displaying the NFT. I don't know what you guys think.
Wait, can you repeat that again? Because okay, you say to display the
I was
picture, the image itself.
for more of a static approach in terms of listing the NFT. It shouldn't be something that's dynamic.
Okay, when you mean static, what do you mean?
An example that I can give you is like hard coding the NFT. Yeah, from the wallet.
Oh, okay.
That's what I mean. Yeah.
Oh, that's what you mean by minting or displaying.
Static. Yeah.
Huh? I think it's best we do it dynamic.
You wanna go for a dynamic approach?
Yes, from my understanding, right? I think like to mint an NFT dynamically.
Okay. So I'll be receiving answers from you guys.
Which
This week.
Yeah.
hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Yes, can you just mute your mic?
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yes. Right. Yeah. Is this thing you silver?
Saying are we done with discussing? Should we go and do the activity now?
Yes, I'll just post the activity on the group.
Okay.
Yes, and then for those ones who are not in group 3, who are now familiar with Helios, can you just raise your hands? Is it only Ibuka? Richard, are you also on the group three?
I'm supposed to be in group 2, but I don't know. This is group 2 or group 3. Helios with Jason.
Oh, Jason. Okay.
Yeah,
This is the group 3 for the implementation.
that's Helios.
No, you're in group 3. You're learning Helios, right? You're currently learning Helios, right?
Yeah, I'm learning Helios, but I'm supposed to be with Jason. Am I in Jason's group now?
No. This is not Jason's group.
He's in group 2.
Jason does not have a lesson A in this group.
Oh, so it means I'm lost. Okay, but as I'm
They
here, I
sent
want to.
they sent a timetable on the group. Just check it and then.
Oh, okay. But all the same, I want to look at what you are doing today. What we are doing today. Yeah.
Okay. All right. No, it's fine. It's just that we'll give certain activities, and on the group chat, right? There are only 12 people in the group 3.
Okay.
So I don't want a situation whereby now giving people an activity which they are not in the group. You understand? It's fine.
Okay, I'm getting it.
Yes. So should I also add you on the group 3, or you want to stay in group 2?
I like both groups. You can add me here. I would like to be here here as well.
Okay.
So add me. Yeah, add me.
Okay. Ibuka, do you have an FTP account?
I asked you if I have an FTP account.
Oh yeah, do you have it?
Oh, I was told I'll be given. I think I was given one. Yeah, FTP at I think school with a password. Is that not it?
Yes, that's it. Yes.
Okay, so I have like one like that.
But Ibuka, you said this is your first meeting, eh?
I'm sure this is my first meeting here.
Okay. All right. I'm talking about Ibuka.
Come again, please.
Oh, I'm talking to Ibuka.
Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, you said this is your very first meeting, eh?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Can you just provide okay, are you in the group 0?
No, I was actually invited to this call by a friend of mine because I told him I wanted to learn smart contract development, like how to write smart contracts. So he invited me to this call. I'm currently not in any group.
Can you just give me a number so that I can add you on the group chat?
Yeah, Delon.
Yes.
Yeah, so I invited him. I'm going to guide him to the group where he will join. So
Okay. Just make sure that Prince, you have your FTP account, right?
you said?
You have your FTP account.
Yes, I do. I'll guide him through everything. Don't worry.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Okay, so guys, right, your activity for today is to mint an NFT. Create an application where one can mint an NFT. So that we can start from there. Yes?
I'm saying, okay, no problem.
And also, all right, I'll just list everything on the group chat.
Okay.
Other than that, I think we're done for today. If anyone has any questions, please ask right now.
If you have more resources that would allow us to learn how to mint, you can also send, please, on the group.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, do you have like more resources on Helios smart contract development?
For me right now, the only source that I have for Helios is the ebook that Mr. Smanda sent on the group chat, and also the website. Let me just link the website right now.
Maybe you can, I think, share the resources to everyone. So I think.
Okay, I'll send the resources definitely, and make sure that your friend is in the group, in the right group.
Yeah, I'll put him in the right group. I think this is not the right group for him.
Okay.
Put him in the right place. Yeah.
Let me just send the. Listen to me. Okay. Right. Helios. Okay, I shared the link right now, and then I'll also share the repository. Okay, let me do it.
Are we done?
Okay, just wait a minute. I just want to share certain resources on the group. But then we are done for today. I'll send every activity that you have to do on group 3. I'll list everything done properly. Okay, is there anyone with any questions? And guys, make sure that you also post your activities on the FTP account. Yeah, guys, we're done for today.